this is our homeschool setup. My fan's really loud, it's really hot, but this is our homeschool shelf. He has one shelf for his school stuff and then another shelf for his toys and his little knickknacks. These are our workbooks that I'll occasionally pull out just for supplement. These two in particular are among my favorite, reasoning and reading and poetry. I have 2 videos on those already. They're amazing. And then over here we have those are his notes. This is like a 5 subject kind of tier. I have them all separated by subjects. Top is language arts. Then we have art, can't really see it too well. Math, science, and social studies. So he has like a little folder for each of those things with some cheat sheets in there, but I'll go over those in a different video. This is basically his reading shelf. Most of his chapter books and just kind of like nonfiction, supplementary. I'm bored, I want to know more about the world, or I like this book. This is how children live around the world. He can just kind of pick whatever he wants. He likes mystery books and he likes, fact books, so he likes to kind of sit there and read them. So there's quite a few of them there. This is a little turtle lamp I found. It's amazing. This is kind of his art stash. The stuff on the left is stuff that we mostly use for class, the tempera, paintbrushes. This little corner nook here is more of his stuff. We have board games and more of his art stuff here at the bottom. I need to find a place for those paints. I just got them. But yeah, this is kind of like the shelf. This is the desk. Up here, nothing else is allowed other than cute little display things that we've been working. Oh, this is subject of the day. This is what I use for summer. He gets to pick one, and obviously all of them are math because he needed more practice in math, but he could do math or science. What's another one? Fun day. That's just arts and crafts day. That's reading comprehension. So he gets to pick one. He leaves the popsicle stick out, and then we go through them during the week. But that's more for like a summer schedule. I found this at a yard sale. It's amazing. Got it at TJ Maxx. They did. But yeah, this is kind of where he kind of places his little projects and things that he works on. We don't like to keep it too cluttered. This desk, it's an IKEA desk, but I got it off of Facebook Market. I like it because it's a space saver. So it's a little messy right now because we're about to do some pottery work, but this is kind of where he keeps his planner for the day. He opens it up every morning, and then he goes in and he kind of checks to see what he has to do. He has an expectation for the day. These are his devotional binder, and this is his school portfolio. And these are the covers for each tab. And we just kind of start storing things. Right now we're really heavily working on finishing up Story of the World. So here's just a few pages. I can link the covers. They're completely free. They're on my Teachers Pay Teachers, and I made them because they look really simplistic and they look very intellectual. I have a little whiteboard there. That right there is like his little prayer journal. What else do we have? Oh, I love this. I have this in his Devos. That's his Devo folder. It's a little messy, but he gets to answer his questions there. I love this 4321. I have it kind of posted everywhere, and I'll explain that a bit later. Literally everywhere. I got this little container at Dollar Tree, so it works, keeping all his little knickknacks in there in one place. Little drawer for his pencils. I can see they're all sharpened. I sharpen them weekly if he doesn't. Here we have his shelf where he has his devotional books and his Bible. Here we have some, together read-alongs that we have. That's his study Bible book. We have his body book for boys. We have his anger management workbook. So those are things that we do together on occasion, so those kind of stay there. Kind of his colors kind of go at the bottom, so I make it a point to keep everything neat. Oh my god, this thing is a lifesaver, especially in the summer. We don't have AC, so it works out so well. We have a very small space, as you can see, so we have to use fold-up chairs for our sit-down time at our desk. These are math dice. This is kind of like a basket of just a lot of reference. These we use after we're done doing our read-alouds. try to find these and link them on the description. I found them on Teacher Pay Teachers for free, I think, and they're just really cool. Kind of like an interactive tool. They get to choose to roll the dice and then answer the questions, so they tend to be very excited. I used it when he was in 4th grade, but he still likes it. He's in 6th grade now. It's a magnetic US puzzle. Again, more math references, math helpers. I got all these donated to me, so it was a huge blessing. Oops. These are all my dry erase markers. Here we have like a calendar, it's a little smudged. Kind of keep his little references there if we're working on something. These are his words for his spelling words for our unit. I got those at Dollar Tree, and this is our scale. Number 1 is I don't understand. 2 is I need practice. I understand. I can do it by myself. And 4 is I can teach it to someone else. So at the end of every unit or every lesson, I'll kind of ask him where he feels like he's at. Oops, my flag is a little off. And then down here, we have all of our storage. So most of my storage. Right here we keep most of the curriculum books, the textbooks, supplementary books. The Reader's Handbook is amazing. I made a video on that. I'll post it soon. We have our Atlas grades here, the ones we've worked on and are working on. MEL chemistry, just basic storage. This desk is amazing. I don't know how much it costs, but I got it for $30 on Facebook Market. And this is pretty much it. This is the gist of everything. I mean, we have a small space. These drawers are great. They're good to have if you have a small space. But yeah, this is it. So that's pretty much it. Sorry, I flipped the camera, you guys. Yeah, I said I'll link these in the description, but you don't need a huge space to have a decent school room. As long as things are in their place and children have easy access and have a routine going, you guys are pretty much good to go. So I hope you enjoy. This is my tiny school space. I'll see you guys later.